If your Kia Carnival is failing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't panic, as it is often a simple software handshake issue. Statistics show that over 85% of these connection failures are solved by basic troubleshooting steps. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to get your phone back on the dashboard display. Start by ruling out physical hardware failures like damaged cables or debris in your charging port. If the hardware is fine, refresh the software handshake by removing the device and restarting the system. Check that Siri is enabled on your lock screen, as this is a frequent culprit for Kia head units. Most fixes happen at home, but if the port itself feels loose, it might be time for a dealership visit. As you can see, cables remain the leading cause of connection issues in the Kia Carnival. For persistent issues, a hard power cycle by disconnecting the negative battery terminal can force a full system reboot. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to handle any sudden connectivity drops on the road. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so always swap the cable before assuming the car is broken. If these steps didn't resolve your CarPlay connection, head to your local dealer for a warranty diagnostic check.